Hello friends, today we'll be talking about formatting text. Mainly today we'll be discussing about this font command set. So the first one we'll be talking about font style, font size, then font color, text highlight color, change case, then clear formatting. So to understand this, let's go to the next page. Okay, the first one is font. Font means to apply font, first of all we have to select the text or the paragraph. So when we change the font, the appearance of the text, the writing of the text will change. So we go here, this is the font. So from here we can change the font. So this font is changed. The next one is, this is a text with font style bold. So if we want to apply the font style bold, first of all we have to select, then we have to click this bold. And the shortcut key is Ctrl plus B from the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus B from the keyboard. Then the next one is, this is a text with font style italic. This is also a font style with italic. So first of all we have to select, then we have to click this italic. So your text will be in a italic, in a slanting way. Same, if you want to use the shortcut from the keyboard, press Ctrl plus I. The next one is, this is a text with font style underline. So again we have to select the text and we have to click this underline. And if you want to use the shortcut from the keyboard, press Ctrl plus U. This is a text with font size. If you want to apply the font size, if you want to change the size, if you want to increase or decrease the size of the text, first of all we have to select. And here we can go, this is the font size. Now it is 20, we can increase the size. This is 30, 28. This is 16. Now if we want to use the shortcut from the keyboard, we have to press Ctrl, Shift and greater than sign. Ctrl Shift less than sign to decrease. Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than sign to decrease. So to increase the size of the text. So I repeat, Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than sign to increase the size. Ctrl plus Shift plus less than sign to decrease the size. The next one is, this is a text with font color. If you want to change the color of the text, first of all we have to select, and this is the color of the text. We can change the color of our text. The next one is called text highlight color. So first of all, if we want to change anything, first of all we have to give a selection. Text highlight color means to color something in the background that is important, that is considered as important, like let's say name, address, phone number, age. So first of all we have to select, and this is your text highlight color, and we can give a color. So when we click highlight color, the color will be applied in the background. The next one is, this is a text with clear format. If you want to clear the format of the text, so first of all we have to, let's say, apply formatting. Formatting means bold, italic, underline, font size. So I am applying here bold, italic, underline. I am increasing the font size also. So now if we clear the format, all this design formatting, whatever I have applied, will get erased, will get deleted, and it will come back to the normal position. So this is called clear formatting. So as you can see, now our text is converted into normal. The next one is called change case, and the shortcut is Shift plus F3. So first of all we have to select the text. If you want to convert your text to uppercase, lowercase or proper case, we can use change case. So here you can see, click here, the first one is sentence case. In sentence case, what happens, the first letter of the sentence will be in capital letter, like you can see a text, T is capital. Next one is select and go to change case, lowercase. Everything will be in small letters, even the first letter of the text will be in a small letter. This T is also in a small letter. The next one, uppercase, everything will be in capital letter, all the text will be in capital letter. The next one we have is capitalize each word. The first letter of each word will be in capital. This T is capital, I is capital, you can see, then A is capital, T is capital. Then the last one is called toggle case. The first letter of the word will be in a small letter. So we don't use all these things. Most of the time we use the sentence case. So always activate this sentence case. So most of the time we use this sentence case, means the first letter will be in capital. And we can use shortcut Shift plus F3, Shift plus F3 to change the case. Shift plus F3. We use Shift plus F3 to change the case. Shift plus F3. That's all for today. Thank you so much.